Putting away some more product. We're gonna take these away so we can put those on the top shelf. So here we have She Lip Plumping Lip Topper. And here we have Italia Deluxe Stuck On You Lip Gloss. Next we have NK Lip Shimmer Glosses. We have the adorable Wine Lip Tint Stack. Next we have the lip scrubs. These are the Scrub Me Shum Sugar. I'm actually gonna push it back. We have the Magic Collection All Natural Lip Scrubs that are go on the top. And we have both of these, Beauty Treats Sugar Lip Scrubs. So I finished this side of the top shelf. We have these beautiful Amuse Lip Plumping Plush Lips Lip Glosses. These are going to go right on the top. We have two of the Beauty Treats Lip Shiners. These are going to go underneath in here. Now we have the NK Pure Fruity Lip Oils. She Glossy Lips Tube Lip Glosses. We have glitter and clear. Magic Collection Gem Lip Glosses. We have two of the Italia Deluxe Chill Out Lip Balms. They're back in stock. We have Beauty Treats Natural Lip Balm. One of my favorites, She Vitamin E Lip Balm. Italia Deluxe To Die For Lip Tint. And the last of my Beauty Treats Natural Lip Cares. So I moved the glossy tube loops over there so that I can put these Amuse Chat Bombs on the top here, and we're done! It looks absolutely beautiful.